Advanced methodology and analytical technique in quantitative water analysis. Potentiometric pH and ion activity. The quantification of hydrogen ion activity utilizes a glass indicator electrode paired with a standard reference electrode. This potentiometric measurement measures the voltage differential generated across a hydrated gel membrane layer described mathematically by the classical Nernst equation. Temperature variation directly dictate the slope response of the electrode array. Consequently, precise measurement require automated integrated temperature compensation circuit. Suspended microparticulate in the colloidal matter are quantified using nephelometry. The analytical tool exposes the sample chamber to an narrow band near infrared light source. Photodiode array are oriented at exactly relative to the primary excitation path to measure light scatter intensity. This design minimizes interference from background sample color while maximizing sensitivity to low-level colloidal formations. Inductively coupled plasma mass spectrometry represents the definitive gold standard for multi-element inorganic verification. The sample matrix is magnetically converted into a fine result and driven through a high-energy argon plasma core sustained by radiofrequency induction field at temperature ranging from all these extreme temperature dissolved solid atomize the and ionize and into single charge positive ions. These ions are extracted into a high vacuum chamber where a high resolution Quotable or time of flight mass analyzers sort and measure them based on their extract mass to charge ratios. Atomic absorption spectroscopy for dedicated single element verification loop graphite furnace provide high sensitivity. The instrument use element-specific hollow cathode lamp to emit characteristic atomic emission line through an atomized sample vapor cloud. The target light absorption correlates directly with element concentration according to the Pearl-Lambert law. Chromatographic technique for organic micropollutant. High-performance liquid chromatography, polar non-volatile, and thermally unstable organic components are separated using reserved phase HPLC columns. Silica stationary phase. The mobile phase consists of customized gradient mixture of polar solvent, water, acetonide methanol pumped under extreme hydraulic pressure. Detection is achieved via UV diode array and tender triple quadruple mass spectrometer for highly accurate compound identification. And we have gas chromatography. So here, an instrumental analysis reference matrix, heavy metal, yes, plasma mass spectrometry, volatile organic. We use the standard instrumental technique, work and TRUB, gas chromatography, common anions, chloride, nitride, sulfur, ion chromatography with conductivity detection, total organic carbon, high temperature composition, standard method, disinfection byproduct, reverse phase Microbiological metrology framework. Biological water assessment focus primarily on identifying indicators of organisms such as total coliform and Escherichia coli. Membrane filtration methods sample are pulled through sterile nitrocellulose membrane filter to catch bacterial cells. These membranes are transferred into selective chromogenic media and incubated at for 24 hours. Enzymatic breakdown yield distinct color variation for colony counting. Enzyme substrate testing utilize defined substrate technology such as collider containing nutrient indicators like a target bacterial enzyme metabolize the substrate producing yellow coloring and fluorescent signature under automatic excision. This response are provided using standard statistical probability index.